Hello, everyone. This is Miss G here with Exploring the Solar System. Um, and everything that you need to know for this lesson will be here in this presentation. Okay, so let's get started. So these are the terms that you need to know for this lesson. We're going to discuss the terms and the definitions in class. We could just go over the terms that you need to know. We have here solar system, celestial bodies, orbit. We have planets, moons, asteroids, comets, gravity. We have meteor shower, okay, orbital period, scale model, space exploration. We have NASA. We have astrobelt. We have meteorites, galaxy, and constellations. Okay, these are the terms you need to know. All right. So here is all of our planets in order from the sun, and all the planets orbit around the sun. And these are our 8 planets in our solar system. Okay. Okay, we're going to start here with Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Okay. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury has no moons, and its surface is covered with craters. Mercury's like this grayish, kind of like tan or brownish color, and it's covered with craters. Okay. We have Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Its size is similar to Earth. Okay. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, and it has thick clouds made of sulfuric acid. These thick clouds of sulfuric acid um, make Venus hot. That is the reason why this planet is a hot planet. And if you look at the color of Venus, it is like this yellowish, kind of like orangish color a little bit. Okay. The third planet from the sun is Earth, the planet we live on. It is the only planet that has life. Okay. The planet is blue because of all the oceans that we have, mostly covering our the surface of Earth. And these green areas are land areas or continents. The green represents the land. Okay? Earth has one moon that orbits around it. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is reddish color due to iron oxide rust on its surface. Mars has 2 small moons, okay, Phobos and Demisons. Okay. Um, it has the largest volcano and the deepest canyon in our solar system. Right? I don't know why my slides keep jumping back. Okay. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system, and it is known for its colorful bands of clouds. Okay. Jupiter has at least 79 moons, including 4 large called the Galilean moon. And if you look at Jupiter here, I'm sorry, it has like a tan color with some brown in it. Okay. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is known for its beautiful rings made of ice and dust. It is the second largest planet by diameter. Saturn has 82 moons, with Titan being the largest of the moons that orbit. Okay? And this is Saturn. It's yellowish in color, and the rings are supposed to be, they're like icy rings. All right. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. Uranus. What's unique about Uranus is that it's tilted on its side, so it rotates on its side. So this picture is a little tilted. As you can see, Uranus is a little tilted, but it's tilted even more than that. It's like almost directly up on its side. Okay? And if you look at the color of Uranus, it's like a little bluish, greenish in color due to the methane gas on its atmosphere. Uranus has faint rings. See, I know you can see this little faint rings around it, and has at least 27 moons. Okay. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. Its blue color is due to the methane gases on its atmosphere. Okay. It is known for strong winds and storms. Neptune has at least 14 moons, with Triton being the largest. Right? And as you can see, if you look kind of closely here on Neptune, where these like spots are, these are spots where storms are. Okay? Pluto. Let's talk about Pluto. Pluto was considered a planet, but Pluto is formerly considered a ninth planet. Now it is classified as the dwarf planet. Okay. Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon. Pluto has an elongated orbit that sometimes bring it closer to the sun than Neptune. So as it goes around in its orbit, there's a period of times where sometimes Pluto gets a little bit closer to the sun than Neptune. Okay? Pluto has at least 5 known moons, with Charon being the largest. These are the names of the moons that orbit these planets. Okay? Okay? These are the 8 planets in our solar system. Remember, Pluto is no longer considered as a planet, is considered as a dwarf planet. And as space explorers and people from NASA explore more of our solar system and our galaxy, we come to find that there are more dwarf planets out there. So remember, we have 8 planets in our solar system, and Pluto is no longer a planet. And this is just a picture of what some of the planets, what they look like. Okay. When we talk about celestial bodies, we mean stuff like asteroids, meteors, and comets, meteoroids and comets. These are other celestial bodies that uh, that are in our solar system, that are in our galaxy, that we may come across or may see, or that are out there. Okay. And there will be more. There's a video in the Google Classroom that goes into more details about the different characteristics and the differences between asteroids, comets, and meteors. Okay. And here we have constellations. Constellations are those stars that we see in the sky that we connect. And I don't know if you've ever been able to look at the sky and connect any of the stars, but at certain times of the year when the earth is rotating around the sun, we see different kinds of stars. And so you ever heard of like the Big Dipper and Leo and Cancer? Well, this is where constellations come from. Connect these dots. And there's a video in the Google Classrooms if you want to learn more about constellations. And so, yeah. So this will conclude my my lesson for today, well, the curriculum for today and all the terms. Um, we will, when we come to class, we will talk more about the solar system, and we will talk more about the other celestial bodies. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or talk to me when we get to class. Thank you. Bye. And this concludes our video. Bye-bye.